新年快乐！恭喜发财 ！Happy Chinese New Year's! 新年快乐, Mom! Happy Chinese New Year! Oh, what are you making today? This looks like a special dish. I think this is known as a Buddhist Delight, otherwise known as Zai. So it's basically a vegan dish that's prepared for vegans, such as monks back in the days. Everything is vegan. But I guess the new option is to add some meat. But I think we're going to bypass that. We got some long napa, you got some chestnut, jujubes, ginkgo nuts, ear mushroom, rice from a chili, and this is, I forgot what's the thing that looks like hair. I forgot what that's called. Got some of this fuzhou. I forgot what's that called. They also fried tofu, dried oyster. So it's not going to be a vegan dish. We're going to add this meat, snow peas, and Chinese celery. In addition to the ear mushroom, we're going to put some donggu mushrooms, Chinese mushrooms. See, my mom is cleaning the snow peas, doing some preparation. It's quite a bit of work. Okay, now we're going to cut the vegetables. What are you doing here, Mom? I love that Chinese celery smell. It's a lot more succulent than the traditional celery. Okay. See? Some olive oil. Cooking over frying pan. Non-stick, of course. Put some fuzhou first. I think it's called bean curd or bamboo. Bok choy. Lobsters. Speed up the cooking process. Alright, now we can finally combine it. Ginger, garlic. What is this you putting? Fermented tofu, Mom? Let me see this. Fermented red bean curd. Oh. To add some flavor to it. See, my mom already put the combination of the Chinese celery and the napa in here, Chinese napa. See, my mom added a cube of sugar, brown sugar, additional flavor. I see my mom already mixed it in before waiting for me to make the video. But anyway, all the ingredients are mixed together now. Well, except for the noodles, because we're gonna have to cook these a little bit more before we put in the noodles right there, and that black hair-like vegetable. So finally, you're gonna mix all of these ingredients together until it's to the texture that you want. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt for the final flavor phase. Wow, this is ping pong. This lotus leaf wrapped with some glutinous, I think rice. I think that's what it is. And what's in here? Oh wow, barbecue pork char siu and some low soy up. Yes. Salted Nanjing salted duck. Wow. That's gonna be delicious. So finally my mom added the snow peas. Okay, everything's in here. Let's go ahead and plate it, Mom. It looks beautiful. Let's see how it tastes. See, my dad's digging into it.
All vegetable.
Yeah, so this is healthy, delicious. Happy Chinese New Year! 新年快乐! What's going on here, Mom? For New Year? Oh, I see my mom is making batsam gai. So we steam the chicken. It's a traditional dish. I always thought it meant 8 chopped chicken. It meant white chopped chicken. Bat. This one tastes great with garlic ginger. See? Chicken was originally steamed like this. See? There's the ginger, garlic, green onion mix. I think we're gonna add some oil into here. Ooh, look at that! Can't wait to get into that. Duck, roast pork mix. Mom, lunch is ready. Wow. And this is the sauce for the chicken. Yeah, get a nice piece of chicken right here. Dip it in the sauce. That's how you eat batsam gai. Batsam gai. Wow, what kind of soup is this, Mom?
Chicken 清補咧.
Oh, chicken and ginseng 清補咧. This is the salty version. Of course, you have the 清補, that's sweet. But this is the salty version. Let's see what's in here. You got whole chicken, got a lot of herbal ingredients. Goji berries. All stuff that I don't even know the names for. Jujubes. Yeah, it's good stuff. That's all I can say. Alright, there are the 3 lobsters. Yeah, it's smaller size. It looks like these are probably 1 1/4 pounders. And this is how much it ended up costing us. The regular price is $15.99. They jacked up the price because of Chinese New Year. $75 for 3 lobsters. Okay, we're gonna steam it for 10.5 minutes. It's about 1.4 pounds each. Okay, Mom. What else you want to add? Oh, the lobster looks good. Oh, you're adding the shrimp.
Come on.
Happy Chinese New Year! Year of the Tiger! Wow! Everybody gets a lobster. 1 for my mom, 1 for my dad, and 1 for me. Got some large shrimp too. Yes, and of course we need some vegetable mix right here. Fish and roast pork. Happy Chinese New Year, Mom, Dad, yeah.
Happy New Year.
Thank you for the blessings, Lord. Thank you for this food.
咁大啲大啲啊！
我跟你张叔叔正在暧昧期，你知道我平时跟你张叔吃饭我都什么样？这好像还真行，这个。说有一个山东人到广东出差，待了1个多月了，每天都是些汤汤水水。
Sir, what kind of sauce do we have, Mom?
正在发懵的时候，突然他看到了一家叫正宗山东杂粮煎饼，跑去问老板。
Look at that brain. I love eating the brain mixed with rice. But I don't think we cook rice today. Wow. That.
嘲笑人家吐字不清。不是啊，你是没听我一下啊。从你那儿走3步到这儿坐下，干嘛呀？试试来，走3步，走3步。1、2、3，坐下，明白了？然后呢？一会儿你就知道了。来。 准备，开始。
We're watching a show. I think it's a New Year's special. Chinese New Year's special. So last time we got it from Lobster 207 online, but they raised the price and it was we didn't want to order that much. I guess I'll just use this chopstick. This, dig it out. Wow.
你好像什么？你好
Just dip some of this sauce.
哦，咁
你讲刚才那个说山东人卖煎饼，这是当年的啦，你讲。这我也没法讲了呀妈，我这火让您刨了，我刨什么您就是。
So sweet.
这样。超过3
Alright,
个字。
let's try
超过
shrimp.
3个字就紧张。
Delicious.
人活得真
Suck
是
the
一样
head.
挺好，对不对？妈，我好奇问一下啊，这以我张叔的这个姿色，你怎么对他如此包容呢？这不得不让我俩对他的资产抱有一丝幻想啊！
妈，我是不是得少奋斗了？
这孩子说什么呢？我们老年人最注重的是关怀。我记得有一回我在。
How do you like the lobster, Mom? Let's open up the tail. There you go. I haven't had grass jelly dessert in a while. 涼粉. So it's grass jelly, and then we added some sugar to it. Chinese dessert. That's eaten cold.